how it started versus how it's going. Hola, besties. This is a clean with me and move out blog from my New Jersey apartment. Grab your hand sanitizer. It's going to be kind of a bittersweet video because I'll be saying goodbye to my first apartment in New Jersey. It was a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. You can see the mess in the bathroom here. Yep, I have to clean all of this. I spent almost 3 years in this place, and it's so hard to say goodbye. Shout out to my brothers who helped me move all my stuff into storage, but they did not sign up for the cleanup part, so that's where I'm at right now, taking care of all this mess. So my train of thought here is going from one room to the other and just clearing one room and going to the next one. All my cleaning products, I bought it from Dollar Tree, and the bags were from Home Depot. I'll link them in the description. So the building recycles, so I'm trying to separate what's trash, what's recycling, what I'm taking with me. Let me know in the comments if you would like an apartment tour of the building, the location, and I can give you more details on the amenities that I have. So yeah, so this is going to recycling. I'm finishing up the kitchen. Also, the reason why I want this place to be immaculate is because they have a 2+1 deposit, security deposit for this apartment. So that's the way New York and New Jersey do it. They ask you to pay first and last month upfront and a broker's fee, or it could be another fee. So they had 2 months security deposit, and I'm trying to get that back. This is why I'm trying to leave this place as immaculate or clean as I can. Y'all, this took the whole day, but when I was done, it was worth it. Look at all this trash. I'm about to toss this to the garbage, recycling, and all of my cleaning supplies back in the car. And look at how the place was after. Spotless. Needless to say, I got my money back, all my security deposits, so I'm happy about that. And it's just, I'm recording a video just in case they decide to charge me something that I didn't break. So just, it's a good practice for you when you're moving out to always record a video of the place just in case they say that you broke something or you need to pay for something. So yeah, the place was spot clean. Look at that. Look at that. You can lick the floor out of that. And the bathroom, chef kiss. Clean. Well, the mirror needed to dry. But yes, it was clean. Smelled fabuloso on the toilet bowl. And yeah, saying goodbye to my New Jersey apartment. It's bittersweet, but it's time to go. And that was my view, New York City view, Hudson River. Time to go. It's been fun. Para cosas mejores, nos vamos. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for watching and staying till the end. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That helps me and it's free 99. Until the next one, bye.